This is Motorola ThinkPhone, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I'm going to show how you can set up the Fingerprint Unlock method. So first step is to launch settings, onwards enter the security and privacy category, then expand the the device lock section and tap at the fingerprint option. In here, choose what regular method you would like to go alongside the, regular screen lock method you would like to go alongside the fingerprint recognition. Then set the password. In here, choose what notifications will be visible from the lock screen and start the fingerprint setup. So the scanner is located right over here, and in order to enroll your fingerprint, just gradually lay and lift it onto the sensor. Alrighty, so as you can see, my fingerprint was successfully added. Now I can start using it to unlock the screen. As you can see, it works just fine, very swiftly even. That's rather a quick sensor and does not recognize other fingers. So secure and quick. The next option for today you can find, the next two options actually, you can find at the display category of settings. The first one is called display refresh rate, and it allows you to set the refresh rate at either 60, 120 and 140 Hz per value. The drill is pretty much goes as follows. So the higher you go, the better visuals and smoother animations you'll get, but at the same time the power consumption will increase proportionally. Basically there is also the auto mode, which you can put this option to, and while at automatic mode it will automatically obviously switch between the values of 60 and 120 Hz, and set the refresh rate, the best refresh rate in accordance with the current situation. So I recommend that you set this feature to be automatic and forget about it, and it will automatically keep your display refresh rate at the most optimal value at any given time. The second display feature I wanted to share with you guys is called the peak display, or it is actually better known by its name of always on display. So you can enable it by switching this toggle on, go into its settings and set it up. For example, you can customize this the appearance of this option. So let's say I'll go with this one. You can enable weather, or make it so that the AOD will show you the weather. In here you can set the background to be animated or not. Enable or disable the wake display options. Choose whether you want for this AOD to vibrate on touch, and if the peak display will require an authentication to send replies to any messages that you get, and block some apps from sending their notifications to your AOD as well. So let's see what we have ended up with. That's the AOD that I've gone for. That's how it looks on my end. So great success, I would assume. The next option, let me check real quick. Alrighty, so next I'm going to demonstrate how you can hide or unhide the battery percentage over here. You can do that by entering the battery category of settings, and once this toggle is disabled, as you can see, the battery percentage is not visible unless you roll down the notification and control center. But if you'll turn the switch on, it will be shown right next to the battery icon itself, so you will able to check how much power you have left precisely at all times. And finally, the fifth and final feature for this video, it is a feature that allows you to increase the performance of your smartphone, you can access it by entering the system category of settings and going into performance section. It is called the RAM boost, and once enabled, it adds additional 2 GB of random access memory, which basically results in apps having more RAM to work with, and well, thus the performance gets increased significantly. And once you reboot your phone after enabling this option, the changes will take effect. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.